What is the world doing about COVID-19 vaccine? And where is India stand? Russia has been in the news recently for registering the world's first COVID-19 vaccine, Sputnik V. While the world is eyeing Russia with a gleam of hope, many countries are making their own attempts to create vaccines and speeding them through various trials and testing phases. Before we tell you about the various vaccines that different countries are working on, let us walk you through the different testing phases that the vaccine has to pass through. The first step is preclinical testing. Here, the testing is done on animals to check the immune response. It has three phases. Phase 1. Vaccine is tested on small sample size to check its safety. Phase 2. Vaccine is tested on large sample size lying in the range of few hundreds, having varying demography like children, young and old people, to see how the vaccine reacts on each segment. Phase 3. Vaccine is tested on a sample size of more than thousands to check whether the vaccine is effective against coronavirus. The FDA has ruled that the vaccine has to be effective on 50% of the sample size to go for the approval phase, which is the final stage. In the approval phase, each country goes through the trial results and determines whether they want to approve it for the usage of common public. Now, let us tell you about the various efforts made by different countries. US firm Moderna is working on coronavirus vaccine, which is in its third phase. China-based company Sinovac Biotech and Sinopharm have entered into the phase 3 of testing. From England, Imperial College of London and Oxford are working on vaccines that are currently in phase 2 and phase 3 stage. India is no far behind in its fight against COVID-19. India has 2 vaccines lined up on its show. Zydus Cadila has created a COVID vaccine called ZyCoV-D, which is already in the phase 2 of testing. Covaxin, developed by Bharat Biotech and Indian Council of Medical Research, has already entered into phase 1 and 2 of testing in AIIMS. Another breakthrough for India took place when Serum Institute of India announced a historic tie-up with Oxford University to produce the latest drug composition on the Indian soil, which is to be priced at as low as Rs 225. This mass production in India will help in bringing down the drug prices and provide aid to its millions of lower and middle income population. Till then, the world is waiting with bated breath for their Messiah against this deadly virus.